Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Tech Talks YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can remove a picture background or make it transparent totally free. So let's jump right into that. So in today's video tutorial, I will give you 3 applications that are totally free that you can use to remove a picture background. So let's take a look at the first application. I'm going to open my web browser and search for Adobe Background Remover. This is my preferred method to change or remove the background, and it is totally free. So I come here and this is a website that I will use, free background remover, and I just click on it. And once you are here on their website, you have to upload your photo. I click on the upload your photo. So once you are here, you can drag and drop your image on this section here, or you can just browse on your device wherever your picture is located and drop it here. So I'm gonna browse the picture that I want the background to be removed. I click here, browse on your device. My picture is on my desktop that I wanna change the background. I click on it and upload it, and just within few seconds you will see that the background will be removed, and that's, here you go. You can download this picture as well. So for downloading, you have to be signed up with a free account. It is totally free. I have already signed up with my account, and if you click on the download, your picture will be downloaded. Now let's take a look at the result or the outcome, and as you can see, that picture looks very fine and crisp, and you can use this picture in any way. You can share it with your friends, you can use it on the social media project. The background is removed, you can use it in any way you want. Okay, so that was the first method. Now come towards the second application. The second application that I use, it's called pixlr.com. It's a website that we can use to remove the picture background. So let's come here and type the web address pixlr.com. okay, and hit enter. So again, to use this application, you have to be signed up with a free account. It's totally free. I have already signed up for my account, and now you can use this service to remove the picture backgrounds. So if you come here on the right hand side and see the 4 dots, if you come here, you can see these 3 options. You can click on the remove BG or remove background to remove the background of the picture. Just click on it. So once this interface is open, click on the open image that you want the background to be removed, and locate your picture wherever it is located. So my picture is located on the desktop, so I just click open it, and you will see that in few seconds your picture background will be removed. And again, here, like first application that I showed you in Adobe, you can download this picture and can use it any way you like. Okay, so that was the second method. So for third method and the last one that I use is a website called removebg.com. So I'm gonna type the web address. I will give you all 3 applications in the description below. All right, so come here and type remove.bg. okay, remove.bg. It will remove the background of your photograph as well, and click enter. So once you are here, you can upload your image, and then your image will be free of the background, all will be transparent. So come here and click on the upload image. So my image again is on the desktop. I click here, the processing will take place, and within few seconds your picture will have no backgrounds or it will be transparent, just like the other two methods that I showed you. But the only caveat with this website is that in the free version the resolution of the picture is very low. So I can show you here. So it's only 612 by 408. But if you want to download a high definition picture like 2048 by 1365, you have to sign up and you have to pay for the service. So again, for free services, you can click here on the download picture. So the picture will be downloaded and you can see the result. So it is not as bad as I was thinking, but yeah, it's still a free service that you can use. Okay, with that I conclude today's video tutorial. Please let me know in the comment section, out of 3 methods that I showed you, which applications you like the most. And if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and gives me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.